Hi guys, welcome back to Bullet Engine. In today's video, we are going to create uh, these kind of effects with stable diffusion. And this is a cow with a golden, mm, what this crown? Yeah, golden crown wearing with some full hairs and kind of stuff. So to do this, I use this prompt: black rotten cow skull thing with golden crown. Okay. I keep the sampling to 35 and the CFG scale to 2. So these are the results I achieved from this. So let's try if we get something new from this. Let's regenerate it. Yeah, this one is also nice. Beautiful results. This one is looking more better. So this one is also looking nice. Yeah, that's for today. Just subscribe to my channel for more these kind of tutorials. Thank you so much. Bye bye.